Happy morning to all children. How are you all? Today's class we will see some interesting topics in GK for grade 7. Come children, let us see the topics one by one. The first topic is related to sports and games. That is Paralympic Games. What is called Paralympic Games? It is parallel games to the Olympic and illustrates how two movements exist side by side. That is called Paralympic Games. Here we have to access these statements with respect to Paralympics and state true or false. If it is true, we have to write T, and if it is false, we have to write F. Okay. See the first one. Before the Olympics started, athletes with physical disabilities did not compete in the Olympics. It is true or false? The answer is false. Why? Because they did compete in the Olympics. Okay. So the first one is false. And the second one, Ray Every won 8 gold medals in Olympics even after contracting polio as a child. It is true or false? The answer is true. Okay. And the third one, the Paralympic movement began in 1840. True or false? It is false. Why? Because the Paralympic movement began in the year 1948. So it is false. Next one, Dr. Ludwig Goodman began introducing sport as a means to rehabilitate WW2 soldiers and organized the first competition in wheelchair sports. The answer is true. It is true. And the fifth one, the term Paralympic combines the Latin word para, that is alongside. The meaning of para is alongside with the word Olympics respectively. True or false? It is true. And the sixth one, at the SEA Games in 1988, the Paralympic were held in the same city and venues as the Summer Olympics for the second time. It is true or false? It is false. Why? Because the Summer Olympics for the first time. That is the answer. And the next one, seventh one. The Summer and Winter Paralympics happens a month after the Summer and Winter Olympics. True or false? It is false. Because it happens alongside. So it is false. And the eighth one, 279 gold records were broken in the 2008 Paralympics. It is true. Then next one, goalball is the game for auditory impaired players. It is false because the game is related to visually impaired players. And the 10th one, swimmer Natalie Du Deutsch and TT player Natalia Parkia qualified and compete in both the Olympics and Paralympic Games. The answer is true. Okay, so in this topic we discussed about Paralympic Games. It is equal to Olympic Games. Okay, the next one. The next topic is parkour facts. It is one type of sport. See, read the following facts about the history and rules for parkour sports and answer the questions that follow. Here one passage is given. We have to read the passage and we have to answer the following questions. See the passage. According to the World Free Running Parkour Federation, parkour originated in the early 90s on the event of a volcano activity on an island. Let George Hubbard, a French novel obstacles. With regular practice, the participant will develop speed, flexibility, stamina and endurance. In fact, in the advanced stages, you will see the participant performing stunts like jumping from roof to roof. Despite the benefits, one must be careful before beginning to practice. A doctor's assessment of the person's strength is a good starting point. Also, just beginning to run around obstacles will hurt the participant, and it is important to take some classes and professional help in the beginning. So, this passage is about parkour facts, and some questions are given. We have to answer the following questions with the help of that passage. See the first one. Who invented parkour? What is the answer? The answer is let George Hubbard. So let George Hubbard invented parkour sport. And the second one, how did he get the idea? By observing people escaping a volcanic activity zone. So from this only he can get the idea about parkour sports. And the third one, when did the US, that is United States, develop interest in parkour? How? So the answer is in early 2000s. By watching it in a movie, he developed interest in parkour. Okay. And the third one, what are the common techniques involved in parkour? So the common techniques are running, climbing, jumping, swimming and running around obstacles. So these are all the common techniques involved in the parkour sports. What should a parkour aspirant be careful about? This is the question. So what is the answer for this? The answer is a doctor's assessment of one's health and some professional help in building stamina. So these are all the parkour aspirants. Be careful about the game. Okay. So in this topic we discussed about parkour facts. And the next one, the next topic is sports ethics. Here we have to match the sports ethics mentioned with the values they teach. See the first one, working together to understand the rules and regulation. So what is the sport ethic related to this? The answer is C, cooperation. So the first one answer is C. The second one, admire the teammates for their qualities and skills. This is the second one. What is the ethic related to this? The second one answer is J, acceptance. So what is the sport ethics related to this? Answer is J, acceptance. And the third one, thinking of and presenting new ideas for making the game better. The answer is E, initiative. So thinking of and presenting new ideas for making the game better. The ethic related to this is E, initiative. And the fourth one, learn from others and teach them the skills they lack. That is mutual growth. The answer is A. Learn from others and teach them the skills they lack is the answer is A. That is mutual growth. And fifth one, accepting help from others without feeling disrespected. That is called, it is related to the ethic I, that is respect. So the answer is I for fifth one. And the sixth one, other to the timings and team rules. So which ethic related to the sixth one? The answer is B, commitment. What is the answer for sixth one? It is B, commitment. And the seventh one, accept defeat and victory in good spirit. So which ethic will related to this one? The answer is sportsmanship. Answer is F. What is the answer? Sportsmanship. The eighth one, lending a hand in team activities. Which ethic related to this? The answer is D, that is responsibility. And the ninth one, listening to the group and The answer is G. That is democratic spirit. What ethic it is? Democratic spirit. And the 10th one, accept the decision of the umpire. So what is that? The answer is H. It is honesty. Accept the decision of the umpire. The ethic related to this is honesty. Okay. So in this we discussed about sports ethics. And the next topic is tournaments. Here we have to match these national and international tournaments and trophies with the game they are associated with. Okay. See the first one. Aga Khan Cup, in bracket India. So it is related to hockey. So Aga Khan Cup is related to which game? Hockey. The answer is F. And the second one, Augusta Masters. It is international. The answer is J. Lacrosse. Golf. The answer is golf. Augusta Master is related to golf. And the third one, BC's Trophy, America. The answer is football. It is related to football, B. And the fourth one, Calcutta Cup, England and Scotland. The answer is C, rugby. What is the answer? It is C, rugby. And the fifth one, called C.K. Naidu Trophy, India. The answer is, which is related to cricket. What is the answer? Cricket. And the sixth one, Derby International, which is related to horse racing. So Derby is related to, the trophy is related to horse racing. And the seventh one, Ezra Cup, which is related to which game? Answer is A, polo. What is the answer? It is polo. And the eighth one, King's Cup race, England, which is related to air race. What is the answer? The answer is air race. And the ninth one, Konica Cup, which is related to badminton. What is the game? It is badminton. And finally, Man Cup, America. It is related to which game? The answer is lacrosse. What is the answer? It is lacrosse. Okay. And the next topic is basketball trivia. Here some statements are given about basketball. See, here we have to fill in the letters to answer these questions related to the game of basketball. See the first one. Who invented the game of basketball? The answer is James Naismith. So what is the answer? James, James, Naismith. James Naismith invented the game basketball. And second one, which team won the first NBA game? Which team? New York Knicks. So which team won the first NBA game? The answer is New York. NBA is nothing but Nocturnal Basketball Association. That is National Basketball Association. NBA, National Basketball Association. Which team won the first National Basketball Association game? The answer is New York Knicks. And the third one, which new shot did Joe Wilkes use to score a record 63 points in one game in 1949? So what is the answer? The answer is jump shot. JUMPSHOT. Then fourth one, who was the youngest player to score 10,000 points in National Basketball Association? The answer is LeBron James. What is the answer? LeBron James. And the fifth one, which team has had the longest winning streak in National Basketball Association history? The answer is Los Angeles Lakers. What is the answer? Los Angeles Lakers. And the sixth one, which player won the All-Star Game MVP, that is most valuable player, NBA, MVP and NBA Finals MVP awards in 2000. What is the answer? The answer is Shaquille O'Neal. What is the answer? Shaquille O'Neal. And the seventh one, who was the first Chinese player to play in an NBA game? So who was the first Chinese player? The answer is Wang Zizi. What is the answer? Wang Zizi. Eighth one, which NBA player has won the most number, that is 6 of league MVPs? MVP is nothing but most valuable player. The answer is Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And the ninth one, which NBA player was nicknamed the Glide? The answer is Clyde Austin Drexler. What is the answer? Clyde Austin Drexler. And the 10th one, which NBA player was nicknamed Plastic Man due to his ability to stretch? The answer is Stacey Augmon. What is the answer? The answer is Stacey Augmon. Okay. So these statements are related to the game basketball. And the next topic is Winter and Summer Olympics. Here we have to circle the sports played in Summer Olympics in red and those played in Winter Olympics in green. So we have to circle the Summer Olympics by using red and Winter Olympics in green. See, some Summer Winter Olympics are given like speed skating, archery, diving, ice hockey, biathlon, fencing, badminton, like that. So in that the Summer Olympics are archery. Circle the Summer Olympics in red. The Summer Olympics are archery, badminton, can sprint, cycling, mountain bike, diving, Equestrian jumping, fencing, gymnastic, rhythmic judo and triathlon. These are all the Summer Olympics. And the remaining, what are all the Winter Olympics? The Winter Olympics are biathlon, cross country skiing, curling, figure skating, luge, skeleton, snowboard, speed skating, bobsleigh, ice hockey. So these are all the Winter Olympics. We have to circle the Winter Olympics in green. Okay. And the next topic is lesser known sports. See here, we have to match these lesser known sports with their descriptions. Here lesser known sports are given and in the opposite side the descriptions are given. We have to match the lesser known sports with their descriptions. Come children, let us do. See the first one, underwater hockey. So which description is related to underwater hockey? The answer is D. That is, it is invented by British Navy to keep divers fit, played with 6 players who use a stick to put the puck in the opponent's net. So it is underwater hockey. So the answer is D. And the second one, camel racing. So which description is related to camel racing? The answer is F. It is ancient Arabian tradition enjoyed throughout Middle East, but now human jockeys are not allowed, so small robots are used in many places in this game. So the answer is F for second one. And the third one, Quidditch. Which description is related to third one? The answer A. That is a fictional sport in the popular Harry Potter series brought to life by the fans. So for third one the answer is A. And the fourth one, J. Extreme ironing. What is the game? Extreme ironing. The description related to fourth one is J. What is the answer? It is started in England in 1997. It involves taking an iron on board to remote locations and ironing also with extreme sports like scuba diving, skydiving, etc. So for fourth one the answer is J. And the fifth one, cycle ball. What is the game? Lesser known sports. Cycle ball. wrestling. So the answer is B. And the sixth one, underwater wrestling. What is this related to sixth one? The answer is H. It is started in USSR in 1980s, also known as Upland, recognized by World Underwater Federation as a sport discipline in 2018. So for sixth one, the answer is H. And seventh one, slam ball. It is related to basketball on trampolines. The answer is E. So slam ball is related to basketball on trampoline. For eighth one, Yugi Gassen. The answer is I. An organized snow fight developed by the Japanese in 1989. So for eighth one, the answer is I. And the ninth one, cork ball. The answer is G. It is a cross between netball and basketball played by two teams of 8, 4 men and 4 women, and a basket 3.5 meter above ground, open at both the ends. So for ninth one, the answer is G. And the 10th one, sepak takraw. The answer is C. It is related to the description, a sport combining soccer and volleyball, that is known as sepak takraw. So in this we discussed about lesser known sports. The next topic is gymnast life. What is the next topic? A gymnast life. Here we have to answer the questions to understand the life of a gymnast. It is a game. See the first one. The apparatus, rope, hoop, ball, clubs and ribbon are used in which form of gymnastics? So the answer is rhythmic gymnastics. Make a note of your answer. The answer is rhythmic gymnastics for first one. Second one, do the Olympics have rhythmic gymnastics events for men? No. The answer is no. And the third one, parallel bars and horizontal bars are events included in which form of gymnastics? The answer is artistic gymnastics for men. What is the answer? It is artistic gymnastics for men. And the fourth one, in the Olympics, rings, parallel bars, horizontal bars and pommel horse are events organized for only men or only women. The answer is for only men. So for fourth one, the answer is for only men. And the fifth one, in the Olympics, balance beam and uneven bars are events organized for only men or only women. The answer is only women for fifth one. And the sixth one, name two Olympic gymnastics events where both women and men can participate. So what is the name of that game? It is floor exercise and vault. So for the sixth one, the answer is floor exercise and vault. And the seventh one, what do gymnasts use to keep their hands dry and sweat free? So they use chalk. So which substance they use? They can use chalk for their hands dry and sweat free. And the eighth one, from which year were the women allowed to participate in the World Artistic Gymnastic Championships? The answer is from 1934. So the answer is 1934. And the ninth one, which American gymnast has won the most number of medals, a total of 19 Olympic and World Championships medals? The answer is Simone Biles. And the 10th one, in 1976, which extraordinary gymnast made a mark by scoring 7 perfect tens? The answer is Nadia Comaneci. Okay, so in this topic we discussed about a sport gymnast life. Okay, go through all the topics, children, and write the answers for the questions. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.